ప్రేమ స్వరూపులారా, ఉద్యోగములు చేయ యువతులందరూ ఆఫీసులకు వెళ్ళి అలమటింత్రు. భార్య భర్తలిరువురు ఆఫీసులకు పోవా, గృహకృత్యములు తీర్చు గృహిణులేరి పరబాలురకు నేర్ప పాఠశాలలకేగా తమ బాలురకు నేర్పు తల్లులేరి. ఆలుమగలిరువురు ఆఫీసులకు పోగా గృహకృత్యములు తీర్చు గృహిణులేరి పుస్తకాలు చేపట్టి పురుషుల వలె పోవా, వంట ఇంటిని దిద్దు వనితలేరి. ఇంటిలోని కొరతలెంతయోయుండును, డబ్బు కొరత తీరు దాని వలన సుఖము చూడబోవా, శూన్యమే ఉద్యోగి పదవి యందు ఉన్న పడతికెప్పుడు.
Thank you, Swami. Thank you for guiding me. I now know what I must do. I will say a straight no. There is no looking back now. I shall not neglect my family and children.
Namaste, Auntie. Auntie, please come inside and take your seat. Please have some water. Ma is just coming.
Such well-mannered children.
Sai Ram, Sai Ram. आप लोग आ गए? आइए आइए। वाह, बहुत अच्छा फ्रॉक बनाया तुमने। मुझे लगता है आप लोगों को एक सिलाई मशीन की ज़रूरत है। मेरे पास एक मशीन है, आप लोग उसे मुझसे ले लीजिए, ठीक है? माँ जी, क्या लिखा आपने? वाह, आप तो बहुत जल्दी बहुत कुछ सीख गई। बहुत अच्छा है। अब मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप अपने बैंक का काम अपने आप करें। हेलो संध्या, हेलो मीनाक्षी।
Hey Lakshmi, what is going on here?
Oh, nothing. I'm just helping these ladies becoming self-sufficient and self-reliant.
You mean to say social service?
No, no. It is just an expression of love.
Sai Ram, Auntie. We are grateful to you, Auntie, for guiding us in Bal Vikas, just like a mother.
May Swami bless you all, children. May you always be a good human being.
Lakshmi, what is this Bal Vikas?
Friend, through Bal Vikas, I'm guiding my children as well as others' children to develop good character and have a good conduct.
By the way, all this is fine, Lakshmi. What did you decide about the job?
Sandhya, Meenakshi, I decided not to go for it.
What? What are you saying? Are you sure?
I'm absolutely sure of what I'm saying. Initially, the cloud of doubts prevailed my mind. But by the divine grace of Baba, I'm free from all delusions. As mothers, we should learn self-sacrifice.
Oh, come on, Lakshmi. To satisfy our children's desire and to financially support our family, we have to earn.
You know, Sandhya, there is a wonderful solution to all these problems. We must practice COD.
COD?
Yes, COD. That is, sealing on desires. It is so simple. If we have fewer desires, automatically all the problems will be solved. Our beloved Baba says, less luggage, more comfort makes life a pleasure. Today, because of this realization, I'm successfully managing my home and children.
Auntie, we have prepared a song for you.
That is exciting. I would definitely like to hear it. Go on, children.
Lakshmi, we are not able to manage our own children, and here you're managing so many. How come?
Friends, Bhagwan Shri Satya Sai Baba, my beloved Swami, says that our love should be like that air which is blown into the balloon to the utmost capacity, and after a certain point it bursts and become one with the atmosphere. Similarly, our love should be first confined within the family. Later on, it should become one universal love. My dear friends, tell me one thing. Can lakhs and crores of rupees give us such pure and unsullied love? Can love, peace and bliss be bought by the so-called great money? Sandhya, Meenakshi, why did Swami establish a college at Anantapur exclusively for women? Is it to prepare girls to meet their whims and fancies? No, certainly not. Dear friends, Baba established this college to uphold the ideals of womanhood as laid down by the sacred texts and resurrect firm faith in it. This firm faith in one's own culture and tradition will lead young girls to become great, noble, virtuous mothers. Mothers, in turn, imbibe and mold the character of the children. The children who receives such noble upbringing become a strong citizen of the world.
I think you are right, Lakshmi. Today, I have understood that till now we were neglecting our family and children, busy in only earning money and attaching great importance to temporary gains and transient successes.
Now we understand that no one can substitute a mother. Thank you, Lakshmi. Today, you have given us a new lease of life by making us realize our real duties and responsibilities towards my family and society.
We also want to join you. Will it be possible, Lakshmi?
Yes, of course. Dear friends, our Swami says, you are your own masters. You can put an end to all this slavery yourselves. This can only happen if we take control of our own selves and look for the real riches of life. So realize this fast and respond to it immediately. Mothers are the pillars on which stands the destiny of the nation.
Mothers cannot be explained. Mothers cannot be concluded. And mothers are mothers. Their contribution towards our life and society is immense. One mother among them is Mother Ishwaramma, the mother of our beloved Swami. She was an embodiment of compassion and forbearance. She had all noble desires, because of which God Himself chose her as His mother, Mother Ishwaramma. Without paying gratitude to this noble soul of our time, we think that today's conclusion about motherhood cannot be achieved.
माँ है तो लोरी है, शगुन है। माँ है तो लोरी है, शगुन है। माँ है तो गीत है, उत्सव है।
माँ है तो मंदिर है, मोक्ष है।
माँ है तो मुमकिन है कुछ भी होना। माँ की आंचल से बड़ा कोई सहारा नहीं। वो है मेरी माँ, वो है मेरी माँ, वो है मेरी माँ, वो है मेरी माँ। मेरे सर्वस्व की पहचान अपने आंचल की छाँव।
ममता की वो लोरी गाती, मेरे सपनों को सहलाती।
गाती रहती मुस्कुराती जो माँ, वो है मेरी 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 माँ, वो है साई 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 माँ।
సన్న జాజి కన్నా,
సంపంగి లత కన్నా,
జున్ను గడ్డ కన్నా,
వెన్న కన్నా,
నెమలి కన్ను కన్నా,
నిండు వెన్నెల కన్నా కన్న తల్లి ప్రేమ సున్నితము. మీ ప్రేమ 1000 తలుల ప్రేమ స్వామి.
Oh, Sai Ma, we all love you.
जना संरक्षक पति महेश्वरा ओम जय जगदीश हरे शिवदना श्रीकरा सर्वा प्राणपते स्वामी सर्वा प्राणपते आश्रित कल्पलतिका आश्रित कल्पलतिका आपदानवा ओम जय जगदीश हरे माता पिता गुरुदैवम मरियंतयु नीवे स्वामी मरियंतयु नीवे नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथा नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथा नागेन्द्राशयना ओम जय जगदीश हरे ओंकार रूप ओजस्वी ओ साई महादेवा सत्य साई महादेवा मंगल आरती अंधुको मंगल आरती अंधुको मंगल गिरिधारी ओम जय जगदीश हरे नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 सत्यनारायण नारायण ओम सत्यनारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा शांति 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 समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु शांति शांति शांति। जय बोलो भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबा जी की जय।